wondering why programmers want the source code to the engine they're using, some of it's because they want to change things and add features, but also they want to be able to fix things when things go wrong. Hey, it's Carl. I'm a game technology expert. And if you think that this many years into Unity or Unreal Engine, nothing goes wrong, things still go wrong. I even encountered something myself. I was working on my own game called Cave Defender. It was working on iOS, it was working on Android, it was running in Unity. But Android had a crash that only happened on Android. And all I could go by was an error message that said something about dividing by 0, which programmers know is a common error. But I had no clue where or when or how in my code that was triggering that. So I looked into my code and I figured maybe I'll just make some numbers bigger, and the problem went away. And it was just an Android issue, and I couldn't fix it or understand it because I didn't have access to the source code. Unity does provide this at a very high cost, but this is definitely a point in Unreal Engine's favor and other engines like Godot, where if you have the engine source code, even if you don't need to change it, at least you can find out what's going on. If you have other questions about game engines or game development, feel free to ask me. Thanks.